Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. I am Ali-Al-Dahoud, Professor of Computer Science in Al Zaytun University of Jordan. This research has been done jointly with a colleague from Alger University and Naba University, Professor Fezari, and Dr. Ahmed and Dr. Darah. Jointly, we each of us done some kind of part in this research. First, I will give an introduction and overview about AI, machine learning, deep learning. I will speak about the hardware and the software used for AI and deep learning. And the most focused point in the research is single board computer. This is the subject of our research. And I will speak about the software and hardware suitable for this, and finally discussion and conclusion. Next. Okay. This research introduces a comprehensive study of most robust single board computer. We are speaking about having a whole computer in a single board. It is a small hardware that do everything that usually a normal computer does. This is called single board computer, SBC, implemented recently, where most of them are built on system on chip architecture. This study also presents the main characteristic of each of these SBSCs, as well as their prices and applications. Additionally, the study reviews some machine learning and deep learning techniques, exploring their implementation to SBCs. Finally, it displays some software tools on how to implement deep learning and machine learning projects on SBCs. Single board computer, SBC, is a new type of computer built on a single circuit board. The main component of SBCs include, as any normal computer, central processing unit, graphical processing unit, input, output, and memory. System on chip, the SBC feature are integrated into a tiny circuit board system on chip is called SoC. When it's come to AI, the focus is on mastering the automation of tasks related to humans, while machine learning and deep learning are concerned with enhancing this automation process. In this context, the ongoing AI process can demonstrate decision-making, language translation, natural language processing, speech recognition, object detection, and the Internet of Things. Meanwhile, deep learning concerned with operates without direct human supervision and has the ability to analyze both unlabeled and labeled data independently without requiring third-party support. Deep learning finds application in object tracking and classification, image recognition, face recognition, robot navigation, and large language modeling. About speaking the hardware and library of AI, the performance of a single board computer is measured based on the architecture and main specification, including the processor powers, connectivity options. SBC board is considered efficient for artificial intelligence and deep learning application if it consists of tensor processing unit, TPU, and the neural processing unit. TPU means an integrated circuit developed by Google for AI and machine learning tasks, while MBU processor used for deep learning tasks. We collect a lot of example as hardware as single board computers, but I will present about 10 or less. These Raspberry Pi 4, Raspberry Pi 5, Envy Idea, Jetson Nano, and the other. I will take a brief explanation for each of these hardware. Raspberry Pi 4 with name RBI4 was introduced a few years ago. It is widely used as a single board computer because its price performance ratio, the price of this device is around $30 with RAM of 2 GB. Because of it is well clear user manual, it's a good advantage of this type of hardware. It's the user manual is very clear, and with the hardware specification, the RBI4 board preferable for using in many applications of AI and machine learning. The enhanced type of Raspberry Pi is Pi5. This machine has been developed with new features. It's better than Pi4. Why? Because it's much faster than the Pi4, and it's the first Raspberry Pi computer to feature silicon designed in-house in Cambridge, USA, UK. The next NVIDIA Jetson Nano with budget-friendly estimated cost of about $60. This kind of SPC offers a decent cost to execution performance cost ratio, making it accessible for a wide range of users interested in AI application. The mentioned AI processes, including image classification, speech processing, segmentation, and object localization, and other. Also, it supports many operating systems such as Linux-based operating system. Also, the enhanced device of NX, also as a previous, but is with a new features. Processing power is powerful and energy efficient computing solution is more powerful and with energy saving. It's work very quickly, and it's impressive 21 tera operation per second on 15 watt power supply. Also, the advantage of this device is the size. It's around 70 to 75 millimeter. Okay, it's as I mentioned earlier, it's deliver top performance. The next AGX is the most expensive SPCs with the from this family, where its estimated cost is around $700. Although its price is considered high, it can handle many functions and workloads. The AGX is highlighted for it's more requested for its flexibility, making it adaptable to various business and industrial circumstances. Specific mentions include application related to production, automobile upgrade, and manufacturing, and other related industry. The next SBC is the Google Coral Dev Board. This SBC Coral board is a microcontroller board that can run TensorFlow light models with acceleration on the Coral Edge TPU. With its onboard camera and microphone, this model provides a complete system for embedded machine learning application. DevBoard Mini, it's the same with a new feature. It's smaller, more flexible, and cheaper. SBS. It has an integrated GPU and is extremely useful in computer vision application. This SPC has an edge tensor processing unit that can perform 4 trillions operations per second. Rokbi IN10. This SPC has been specially created to be applied to artificial intelligence and deep learning application. It's built on a robust system on chip architecture. It supports different capacities of RAM and provides sufficient storage for processing and storing data. This flexible SPC serves several operating systems like Android and Linux. Hikai 970. This SPC is manufactured especially for working with AI and deep learning application using the Android and Linux operating system. It is supported with a random access memory, a graphical processing unit, a CPU, and a neural processing unit. It has a Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth. This is mentioned. Beagle 5, the Beagle 5 is a new competitor in the SBC landscape as it focuses on AI applications. The SBC offers coherent support for Linux-based operating system distributions. Beagle 5 is applied to edge computing and many AI and deep learning projects. This is a comparative study of many. It's not clear, but in the paper is more clear. About the software used in SPC, the following paragraph presents an overview of some of the most effective and widely used libraries and language for machine learning and deep learning solutions, known for their comprehensive feature essential for project development. I take Python, the R language, Jupyter language, scikit-learn library, and Pandas library, NumPy library, and TensorFlow and Keras library. This is a title. It's explained in the paper. So more detail will be found in the paper. In the conclusion, we present many kinds of SPCs. I believe that our research could be a good reference for PhD students who will need to work in this type, because we get a good reference and we collect the hardware used in AI and deep learning and machine learning, and the library and the language used and applied in this type of computers. Thank you.